Nobody in a small Sardinian village sits around talking about longevity. They just live it. 90 years old, men still working in gardens, grandmothers walking steep stone roads without fear, families eating the same simple foods their grandparents ate, year after year, generation after generation. And somehow, they keep outlasting much of the modern world. Today on Biblical Health and Gardening, we are looking at 13 Italian foods connected to long life, strong bodies, sharp minds, and the kind of aging that stays active instead of collapsing early. Researchers have studied places like Sardinia for decades, and again, the answer points back to simple food, daily habits, family life, and the table. And if you love Jesus, subscribe to this channel, because here we'll regularly share videos about biblical health, faith-centered living, and the wisdom woven through God's creation. And while you watch, tell me in the comments which weeds plant surprises you the most. So, let's begin. Number 13. Sardines. In southern Italy, sardines are not trendy health food, they are normal food. That may be exactly why they matter so much. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fats, which help support the brain, the heart, and the body's response to inflammation. Because they are small fish, they are also lower in toxins than larger fish, and when eaten with the soft bones, they bring calcium too. This is the kind of food that reminds us that God often places strength in simple things. A humble fish, grilled and shared with bread and olive oil, can do more for the body than many expensive products ever will. Number 12. Wild mushrooms. In many parts of Italy, gathering wild mushrooms is not a hobby. It is tradition. Porcini and other wild mushrooms have long been valued not just for flavor, but for what they bring to the body. Researchers have studied mushrooms for compounds that support the immune system and help protect cells from damage. Some mushrooms are also known for ergothioneine, a compound linked in research to healthy aging and lower oxidative stress. There is something beautiful about food gathered from the forest floor. It reminds us that the earth still carries hidden gifts, and God's creation still feeds those who know how to receive it with wisdom. Number 11. Parmigiano Reggiano. Real Parmigiano Reggiano is not just cheese. It is patience made edible. It is aged slowly, often for years, and that long process changes it. The aging breaks down much of the lactose and creates a deep, rich food that many people digest more easily than ordinary cheese. It also becomes concentrated in calcium and protein. In small amounts, this cheese is not just flavor, it is nourishment. Italian wisdom teaches us something here. Not everything powerful has to be eaten in large amounts. Sometimes a little of the right food, used well, brings more value than excess ever could. Number 10. Arugula. Arugula may look like a simple salad green, but it is much more than decoration. Its peppery bite comes from compounds that belong to a powerful plant family. Arugula is also known for natural nitrates, which the body can use to support blood flow and healthy circulation. That matters as we age. But what I love most about arugula is this: it is bold. It is not bland. It is not trying to please everyone. It brings life to the plate. Sometimes the foods that help us most are not the softest ones. Sometimes they are the ones that wake us up and remind us that real nourishment has character. Number 9. Pistachios. Pistachios are often treated like a snack, but in the Italian way of eating, they can be part of something deeper. Researchers have studied pistachios for heart health, healthy cholesterol balance, and eye-supporting compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin. These are especially important as people grow older and want to protect vision and overall vitality. In Sicily, pistachios have been treasured for a long time. They are not random food. They are part of place, tradition, and memory. And that matters. Because the foods that stay on the table for generations usually do not stay there by accident. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is one of the great foundations of Italian cooking. It is often gently warmed in olive oil, not burned, not rushed, just handled with care. That matters because garlic contains sulfur-rich compounds that researchers have studied in connection with heart health, blood pressure, and the body's defense systems. But spiritually, garlic says something simple. Real healing is often built on repeated daily choices, not drama, not trends, just simple wisdom used over and over again. A little garlic in the pan may not look impressive, but over a lifetime, small, faithful things can become powerful. Number 7. Extra virgin olive oil. If there is one food that stands at the center of Italian longevity, it may be extra virgin olive oil. Not fake oil, not low-quality oil, real olive oil. Researchers keep studying its polyphenols, its healthy fats, and its anti-inflammatory properties. Some early studies have even looked at compounds in high-quality olive oil for possible benefits related to cognitive aging. But Italian families did not need a lab to tell them olive oil mattered. They poured it over vegetables, beans, bread, and fish because it was life-giving food. Olive oil is one of those reminders that God often gives us medicine in the form of a meal. Number 6. Figs. Figs have been loved across the Mediterranean for thousands of years, and in Italy, dried figs are especially treasured. They are naturally sweet, but they also bring fiber, minerals, and lasting satisfaction. Researchers have been interested in how figs support digestion and feed the gut in a healthy way over time. A fig feels like a gift because it is. It is sweet, but still useful, pleasant, but still strong. And that balance matters. Not all healthy food has to feel severe. Sometimes God gives us foods that nourish and delight at the same time. Number 5. Artichokes. Artichokes are one of the most distinctly Italian foods on this list. They take work. You peel them, trim them, cook them carefully, and eat them slowly. That alone says something about the Italian way of life. Good food is not always rushed. Researchers have studied artichokes for digestive support, liver support, and their role in helping the body handle fats more effectively. They also contain prebiotic fibers that help feed the gut. This is not fast food, it is patient food, and patient food often serves the body better. Artichokes remind us that slowing down may be part of healing too. Number 4. Red grapes. When people talk about Italy and grapes, they usually jump straight to wine. But whole red grapes deserve attention too. The skins contain important plant compounds, including resveratrol and other polyphenols that researchers have studied in connection with healthy aging, skin support, and cardiovascular health. The full grape brings fiber, water, and natural sweetness in a way that feels complete. A bowl of grapes on the table may not look dramatic, but it carries deep wisdom. Eat the whole fruit, receive the whole gift. Do not always chase the extracted version when God already made the original. Number 3. Basil. Most people think of basil as a garnish. Italy never treated it that way. Fresh basil adds more than flavor. Researchers have studied basil for compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even possible brain-supporting effects. One compound in basil has even drawn attention in early research connected to memory and the gut-brain relationship. That is remarkable for an herb many people barely notice. Basil reminds us that little things matter. A few fresh leaves, added at the right moment, can change a whole dish. And in life, that is true too. Sometimes what seems small carries more power than anyone expected. Number 2. Cannellini beans. If you study the diets of long-lived populations long enough, one food keeps showing up again and again: beans. In Italy, cannellini beans are one of the quiet heroes of the table. They are simple, affordable, filling, and deeply nourishing. Researchers who study longevity often keep coming back to legumes because of their fiber, plant protein, and support for the gut. Bean soups, rustic stews, and simple bowls with olive oil and herbs may not seem exciting to the modern world, but they are exactly the kind of foods that hold a body steady for decades. Sometimes the secret is not exotic. Sometimes the secret is faithful. Number 1. Tomatoes. And now, we come to the food that may deserve the top spot more than any other: tomatoes. But not just raw tomatoes. Italian cooking discovered something powerful long before modern science explained it. When tomatoes are slowly cooked and paired with olive oil, compounds like lycopene become far easier for the body to absorb. Researchers have connected lycopene with support for the skin, the heart, and especially protection related to aging in men. That means a slow tomato sauce is not just comfort food. It may be one of the smartest foods on the table. And I love that, because it reminds us that wisdom is often passed down through kitchens before it is ever written in journals. God allows families to learn things through living, through cooking, through repeating what works. And sometimes, Truth is already in the sauce. These 13 foods all point to one bigger truth. The people who built Italy's food culture were not just eating for pleasure. They were eating in a way that supported long life, strong bodies, and close family life without needing to call it a system. Simple fish. Beans, olive oil, tomatoes, herbs, greens, a little cheese. A table shared with people you love. That kind of eating is not just nutritional, it is human. It is grounding. And in many ways, it reflects the wisdom of creation itself. Here on Biblical Health and Gardening, we believe food can be more than fuel. It can be stewardship. It can be gratitude. It can be one more way we honor the body God has given us. If this video blessed you, tell me in the comments which Italian food on this list surprised you the most. And if you want more videos on biblical health, long life, real food, and faith-centered wellness, subscribe to Biblical Health and Gardening. Until next time, may God bless your table, strengthen your body, and give you wisdom in the way you eat.